Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet in a bad economy? Are you looking for new ways to earn some extra cash? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we will share 15 tried and true methods to earn money even in the toughest economic times. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to make extra cash, we've got you covered. From selling your unwanted items to starting your own online business, these tips are guaranteed to help you boost your income and thrive in a bad economy. So get ready to take some notes because you won't want to miss a single one of these 15 ways to earn money in a bad economy. Welcome to Investing Alpha. Number 1. Why settle for just driving your car when you could turn it into a money-making machine? Transform yourself into a walking billboard by signing up with companies in your area that use wrapped cars for advertising. Sure, digital marketing is all the rage nowadays, but traditional direct modes of marketing are still going strong. And what's more direct than a mobile advertisement cruising around town? With no extra effort on your part, your trusty vehicle can now earn its keep and cover its own gas costs. It's the perfect way to make extra cash while continuing your daily routine. Number 2. Unleash your inner artisan and turn your crafting passion into cash cow with Etsy. No need to be a crafting genius. If you have the skills to create something unique, you can start selling in this online marketplace. Whether you're into knitting, woodworking, or pottery, you can create and list your handmade pieces on Etsy. And if vintage is more your style, you can sell those too. With Etsy, you'll have access to a ready-made audience of eager shoppers searching for unique items like yours. No need to go out and find customers. They'll come to you. Number 3. Do you ever feel like your skills and talents aren't being put to use? Maybe your day job isn't exactly what you envisioned, but it pays the bills. Many of us have jobs that aren't necessarily glamorous. We're talking locksmiths, professional organizers, hairdressers, and even home car providers. But let's face it, we're all good at what we do, right? What if we told you that there was a way to make some extra cash by using the skills you already have? That's right, you can take up freelance gigs in your spare time. The best part? You'll be doing the exact same thing you do every day, just on your own terms. No more being limited by your set hours or salary. You can even advertise your services on Craigslist or your local freelancing website. Number 4. Opportunities are everywhere, and it's time to take advantage of them. When something changes, new needs arise, creating space for new suppliers to come in and fill the gap. Let's take a rainy day in Malaysia, for example. Umbrella sellers wait for the rain to pour, then quickly set up shop with their grab-and-go umbrellas for the unprepared passerby. Demand meets instant supply, and boom, everyone's happy. So look around you. What's missing in your immediate vicinity? Whatever it is, find a way to fill that need and take advantage of it. With a bit of creativity, you could be the one to make a difference and make a profit while doing it. Number 5. Sometimes one job isn't enough to make ends meet. But don't worry, the days of picking up a second physically taxing job are over. Thanks to the internet, you can now pick up a remote gig from anywhere, even from home. If you're an expert in a particular subject, why not try online tutoring for an hour daily? Or if social media is your forte, you could become a remote social media manager. The possibilities are endless. With a remote job, you can make money without the added physical strain or need to relocate. Number 6. Do you have an extra room in your house that is just gathering dust? Well, dust it off and turn it into cash cow. In today's economy, travelers always search for affordable and comfortable accommodations. And what better way to make a quick buck than to rent out your spare room? Gone are the days of spending a fortune and setting up a guest house. All you need now is an Airbnb account for an online listing to start making money whenever a traveler accepts your offer. So why let the extra room go to waste? Number 7. Looking for a side hustle that doesn't require a big investment upfront? Look no further than Amazon. You can become a reseller or drop shipper with minimal investment and make money right away. Don't have a warehouse full of inventory? No problem. With drop shipping, you can list items for sale in your store without worrying about stocking up. When a customer orders, the manufacturer ships the item directly to them. At the same time, you gotta keep the markup as your profit. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Number 8. Get in on the action of the used goods market. While new cars may be a big investment, the used car market is constantly thriving. Look for local car showrooms specializing in used cars and pick one up to fix and resell. You don't have to be a car enthusiast to take advantage of this opportunity. Buy low and sell high. That's the name of the game. There's always a market for used goods, whether it's shoes, bags, phones, or anything in between. Don't let the state of the economy stop you from making money. Number 9. Are you guilty of hoarding? Maybe it's a mountain of vintage vinyl records or a collection of old comic books gathering dust in your closet. Don't worry, we won't judge, but it's time to declutter your life and make some cash. Forget about the hassle of a traditional garage sale and join the online revolution. Turn your trash into treasure with just a few clicks of a button. With apps like Poshmark or a simple post on social media, you can sell your unwanted items and turn them into cold hard cash. So what are you waiting for? Let's clean out those closets and start making some money. Number 10. No matter what chaos may happen, one thing remains a constant. People need to eat. And lucky for you, that means there's a world of opportunity waiting at your doorstep. By becoming a delivery driver, you can be the hero who brings a hot, delicious meal to someone's doorstep. With easy-to-use platforms like Uber Eats, you can sign up today and make money in your spare time. There's no need to sacrifice your day job or work long, grueling hours. Pick up a few shifts here and there, and you'll be raking in some extra in no time. Number 11. Are you tired of living in the same old physical world day after day? Expand your horizons and dive into the endless possibilities of the online world. With your writing talent, you can carve out a space for yourself. Since the internet thrives on words, you can easily sign up for a writing platform and get paid to write from anywhere. Whether you work from the comfort of your home or take on the life of a nomadic freelancer, the possibilities are endless. Don't miss the chance to make your mark and earn money doing what you love, writing. Number 12. Are you a pro at staying organized? Listen up, because your skills are in high demand. There are busy people worldwide who simply don't have the time to keep their lives in order. That's where you come in as a virtual assistant. With these jobs readily available online, you can work from anywhere worldwide and still get paid to keep someone else's life running like clockwork. You'll be the backbone of their day-to-day operations, from scheduling meetings to sending emails and organizing errands. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Number 13. Become an online mock juror. Sure, jury duty may seem like a chore, but in the online world, it pays pretty well. Legal teams often use mock juries to test the strength of their cases, and that's where you come in. Simply sign up, review the case documents, and offer your valuable opinion. It's easy work, and you'll be compensated for your time. So why not put your mind to the test and earn extra cash along the way? Number 14. Do you have a knack for listening and retaining information? If so, you could use your skills to make some cash. Many companies need individuals who can transcribe audio and video files, from educational lecturers to viral YouTube videos or videos like this one. All you have to do is lend your ears and fingers and watch the money roll in. It's a simple and easy way to earn extra income without ever leaving the comfort of your own home. Number 15. Unlock your potential and share your skills with the world. Whether it's whipping up a delicious meal or creating a stunning work of art, there's always someone out there eager to learn from you. Teaching what you know can be a fun and fulfilling way to earn extra cash, and you don't even have to leave your house to do it. Simply sign up for an online teaching platform or host your own classes and share your expertise with others. Don't let your talents go to waste. turn them into a profitable passion today. And there you have it, 15 proven ways to earn money in a bad economy. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, making extra money in tough times is not impossible. It just requires a little creativity and effort. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below which method you're most excited to try out. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.